Calbacation. So you can say hi. So Sadiq is making us.
No, I don't talk now.
Oh, okay. Sadiq does not talk when he's making breakfast. Apparently, he's making us chicken and chips and sauce, and we're still in the process. Yeah.
We had a cooking competition on stage yesterday, courtesy of
Guys, long day. So we just left Eat Drink Fest and we had so much fun, and it is the last day of Cabalcation. I'm going to miss this family I have so much. Aisha, Manuel,
I'm tired, like I'll rest.
But you don't look tired.
Really?
Yes.
Anyway.
Guys, thanks for coming along.
Alright guys, thank you so much for coming along with us. We had fun for the last 4 days from day 1 to day 2 to day 3 to day 4. I'm sure you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed our journey
If you want
together.
me to come back, leave a comment that you guys want me to come back and make food for you guys. Again.
I don't know what he's talking about. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Very, very important.
Yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe.
If you don't subscribe, I'll come to your
Please
house.
subscribe.
I'll come to
I'll
your
come
house.
and beat you
I'll beat you.
in your house. I'll come and look for you.
We know your address. We are tech guys. We'll track it down.
Exactly. We'll hack your address. Okay,
So, but
guys.
subscribe.
We're just kidding. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Peace.
Hello people, this is Olawale Michael Cole. If you don't know me, check Google, check the Forbes magazine. If you find me there, you know. And right here we have Kodo, the multi-billionaire. And of course, there's Henry, the ritualist. And Julobis. And we are just here to tell you to subscribe to Raecreates. You know, if you do not subscribe to Raecreates, you will.
You never they shoot it in
Oh, but this video is supposed to be serious video.
It's about to
they okay like that.
somewhere. So yes, somewhere down.
Just look somewhere there, you will see the subscribe button.
Click on it.
When you click on it, send your account details to Olawale Michael Cole. My email, my Gmail, my Hotmail, just send your PayPal, send anything. I would fund you with some dollars.
Run is for balance end, yeah.
But subscribe.
Subscribe, yes, guys.
Yeah, she has a lot of great content, and you would be happy you subscribe.
You see more of the tribulations of
And you'll be able to watch Julobizi freestyle. Julobizi, give them one or two bars. One or two bars.
Okay.
Julobi. 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 Julobi.
All right.
Julobi.
My flow.
Alright guys.
All right, guys. Have fun. See ya.